Several of the top Classic contenders are expected to line up for the 78th running of the Lotto Classic for the Governor's Cup, the last major prep for next month's Jamaica Derby. The official launch was held on Tuesday at the Spanish Court Hotel.
Prince Consort Stakes winner El Profesor, along with 2,000 guineas, the third-place finisher without exception, and Marquesas are expected to headline the field for the 10-furlong event on May 26 for a purse of $3 million. Trainer Richard Azan likes the additional recovery period between the Lotto Classic and the Derby. He is expected to send out Pekin Cruise and My Beirut for the Lotto Classic.
Well, the Lotto Classic this year is a month before, a little over a month. Normally it's like 3 weeks before. So we have an extra week that we can work on the horses. Some horses that we would not have run them in the Lotto Classic because the Derby was so near. Now we can run them in both races. So I do have maybe 2 or 3 horses I'm preparing for the Lotto Classic with the intention of going to the Derby.
Trainer Michael Marlowe, who conditions last year's 2-year-old stakes winner Marquesas, is looking for an improved effort on his 4th-place finish in the 2,000 guineas.
You know we like the distance of ground that he's going, and it's right down his alley. So we figure with the run going into the Governor's Cup, it'll give us some a little momentum going into the Derby. You know.
Director of Racing at Supreme Ventures Racing and Entertainment Limited, Chris Armand, believes an intriguing race is in the making.
This year, I think Marquesas has it all to do. A number of horses like Pekin Cruise and Lightning McQueen have run twice and won twice, but they've been at sprint distances. They get a lot of weight from them, but this is 10 furlongs, and a horse that really genuinely stays 10 furlongs should win the race.
The day will also feature the 22nd running of the Lotto Sprint Trophy for Grade 1 horses over 5.5 furlongs. Meanwhile, veteran commentators Brian Rickman and Howard Abrahams were honored by the promoting company for being 2 of the most trusted voices for local horse racing. Rickman has given 38 years of service to the industry, while Abrahams has gone 40 years. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I am Denise Walters.